The custom artwork?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. With the mohawk?
And then I got your whole thing. Don't mind the rap job, okay? I got this. It's not really like...
Code 77.
Yeah.
Pedal to the metal, not two worlds, my divide. Sipping through the city with danger heights. Adrenaline rush for the fifth gust. Street light blurs in me, I trust. Dodging potholes, sabotage flow. Count high, looking at the cap follow. Hoodie up, wind in my face. Do traffic apps, daily chase. Mind in the zone, roads are a maze. Throttle grip tight, street craze haze. Every ride about like it's do or die. In the bike lanes, live fast, fly by. Light flash, but I still swerve. And the bus time, got the next curve. Have a bleed, visor low. No time to waste, just gotta go. Core shortcuts, anywhere thrills, no show, ain't nothing but mad skills. Pavement times, smooth but tough. Urban jungle, rough and tough. Heartbeat 6 with the wheels hum. No time to lose, can't be undone. Blur streets, another night race. In the fast lane, ain't no slow pace. Dogs are a maze. Dogs are a maze. Good shortcuts, alleyway drills, but sure ain't nothing but mad skills. Pavement to tires, smooth but tough. Urban jungle, rough and tough. Heartbeat 6 with the wheels hum. No time to lose, can't be undone. Flirting streets, another night race. In the fast lane, ain't no slow pace. Pedal to the metal, not two worlds, my divide. Sipping through the city with danger heights. Adrenaline rush for the fifth gust. Street light blurs in me, I trust. Dodging potholes, sabotage flow. Count high, looking at the cap follow. Hoodie up, wind in my face. Do traffic apps, daily chase. Mind in the zone, roads are a maze.